If you want to set up the ReConvert app on Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. First, install ReConvert post purchase upsell from the Shopify App Store. So we can access the Shopify App Store from the app section. And then from here, we are just going to search for ReConvert. Now, if it doesn't come up, you can just click on ReConvert in Shopify App Store. But since we have it here, we're just going to click on that. Now we're going to install this one. So click on install from the left side of your screen. And then from here, we're just going to prompt for installation. And then it's going to also give you the information that they need from you. Like for example, your personal data or this view and edit the store's data. So we're going to click on install to confirm. And then after that, we are now going to start with our setup. Now, for the first step, we are going to create a new post-purchase thank you page funnel. So as you can see here, we are going to need the subscription for ReConvert. So we have here our payment method. So we're just going to choose the payment method that we want. So for example, we want to add a credit card, and then we're going to just add a credit card. I'm just going to type in my credit card number. ReConvert actually allows you to have an automated addition of the products that you want. So it's basically just a one-click option. So you can just click on that, and all of the product pages that you want to add in your ReConvert will now be added. And now you can create a new post-purchase thank you page funnel, add upsell offers, cross-sells, product recommendations, or discount timers to encourage repeat sales after checkout. Now all you have to do is to just click on the products that you want. So basically you're just gonna have to click on all of them. You're just going to tick off the product pages. But from if you want to do it manually, they offer a tutorial on how you can do it from their website. So as you can see, you can place your slots in the Shopify editor, but basically you don't have to do it if you want to do it manually. So they give you an automated option. Now you can just drag and drop widgets to design the page, and then you're going to set rules for when it appears, like for example only on orders above 1,000 pesos or for specific products. Now all that's left to do is to publish your funnel and to test it with a real order to confirm it's working. And that is how you can set up Shopify ReConvert app. I recently created an hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.